Hey guys, Crypto Sunday, and it's another rather slow week. Nearly £3,000 up on the week, but not a huge amount happening, has to be said. Presume we're sort of coiling up for some reasonably big move, up or down. Depends on what happens in the sort of more macro stuff, the debt ceiling and that sort of thing. What happens to the stock market, I would imagine. I don't think Bitcoin and crypto are sort of quite decoupled from all of that yet. If we get a sharp 10% drop or something in stocks, I would imagine crypto will come down, but be interesting to see. So not a huge amount of news this week, just sort of seeing the interest in sort of China and Hong Kong. I believe their new sort of allowance of using crypto in Hong Kong goes live. Everyone else has been reporting it as the 1st of June. CZ from Binance says it starts week commencing today, so this coming week. But yeah, whether it's sort of 28th or the 1st, it's coming in the next week. But they are saying the Hong Kong Security and Futures Commission haven't actually sort of made any specific companies legal yet, but I would imagine it will happen reasonably soon. And China, the state-affiliated media company, aired a video sort of essentially pro-cryptocurrency. So whether they're looking to have people sort of trade through Hong Kong entities from China, it sort of remains to be seen. But they've removed the video because CZ sort of promoted it and said it was bullish. So yeah, be interesting to see what happens with that. They're obviously got their central bank digital currency already up and running. So yeah, whether they want people buying sort of Bitcoin and other crypto with it, who knows? China have actually released a white paper for Web3 innovation and development, so they are sort of somewhat getting pro crypto, because this wouldn't be just central bank digital currencies. They describe Web3 technology as an inevitable trend for the future of internet industry development. So yeah, slightly unusual for them. It's not something the state is going to sort of be putting a huge amount of money towards, but the fact that they're acknowledging it is interesting. NFT market seems to be sort of getting a bit of buzz recently as well. There's a new platform on Solana called Tensor, and this is sort of causing Magic Eden to come out swinging, and they're implementing a negative maker fee on NFTs. So if you list an NFT, there's actually no fee, and you'll get paid 0.25% on top of the amount you list for from Magic Eden. So I guess this is a little bit of a loss leader to get people back on board with them and stay with them after they remove this offer. But interesting. So you can offer, you can sort of make a collection offer as well. So you can sort of put 5 Sol down, and other people can sell you their NFT for however much you put down, and that counts as a maker fee as well. So you can list your own, or you can provide money for people to then sell into. If you just buy one straight off the market, then you still pay normal fees, but they like to sort of create liquidity. So yeah, either putting money down or listing your own sort of counts as liquidity. So they are paying you for that. So we'll see where this competitor Tensor goes, and I thought it was sort of reasonably bullish for Solana NFTs. And lastly, a very bold claim from Cardano's Charles Hoskinson, partly for Sir Lallington in the comments. Maybe I'll give him a few months and keep this sort of over the summer, but he said they've got lots of upcoming feature releases, the Voltaire update, and sort of various DeFi proposals and that sort of thing. They are admittedly getting quite a rise in total value locked and sort of DeFi usage, so fair enough. But he said over the Cardano summer, in the next few months, he thinks Cardano could overtake Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I expect the internet won't forget this, and he'll be made to eat his words. But even if you get a sort of 2 or 3x over the summer, where other cryptos aren't doing quite as well, that would be incredibly positive and could sort of bode well for the next bull market. But certainly in the last month, they were saying April they've had their sort of highest DeFi volume for a long while, and total value locked is rising, even sort of from a small spot, 17th on in total value locked, even though it's 7th largest network by market cap. So there's maybe other tokens that are more suited for DeFi and TVL. Cardano sort of have a bit of NFTs as well, but I've made my sort of thoughts on them clear before. I think they're kind of behind and a little bit slow, but if they're sort of rising and implementing new stuff, then maybe I'll hold off selling and give them a few more months and see if Charles can be right. Bigger than Bitcoin and Ethereum by the end of the summer. I'm not seeing it, but best of luck. So, as I say, looking at the portfolio, it's a very quiet week. Bitcoin up 1.4%, which is a very slow week for them. Ethereum 2.4% up. Solana 1.8% up. Cardano 2.87%, not too bad. Chainlink 0.5% up. This is just crazy. XRP 1.6%, Audius 1.13%, Polygon, best performer of the week, 6.45% up. Gala down 0.5%, Quant down 1%, Power Ledger down 5%. They're not doing too well. Worst performer of the week. Basic Attention Token is up 1.7%. Internet Computer down 3.7%, and VeChain up 5.5%. So, very quiet week. Sort of all the main coins up 1% or 2%. That's basically that £3,000 rise. But I'm not holding my breath on this. Expecting something big to happen, and that could be a drop if the macro side doesn't go well. So, let me know if you guys are up to much, and like and subscribe. See you soon.